Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with ASUS ROG Ally. And to do this, you can go through the armory crate with this button and then select the Wi-Fi in the settings. There's connection, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and then you will see available networks for that. Select whichever network you have the password for, enter it, click on connect, and now you'll be connected to internet network. The other way to do it is through the windows, so we want to close the armory crate, then simply click on the Wi-Fi sign and then go for the networks. Now select whichever network again you have the access to, select then connect and enter the password. And here we have already connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.